Hi guys, I'm taking my Kayak out for a drive along with my night emergency rounds. It's quarter to 12 at night, and still you can see such a lot of traffic jam. No one is following traffic rules, everyone is jumping signals.